place?
Because I love this place and this place. Whenever I have no toy, no new, Masi give me this place and this place.
So only Masi gives you a blaze car, not mommy?
Yes,
You like Masi or mommy?
Masi.
You like Masi. But why? Why you like?
Masi good, Mama bad.
Oh, really?
Yes, of course no.
Okay, so which car you like most?
Just both the cars.
Both the blaze car?
Yes, they're two same, but the wheels they're not same.
So now you don't want these two other cars? The white one and the red one?
I want one, but let's give this one to Chinny.
Really?
It doesn't look, it doesn't have the red, but this one is pretty good. See, look, if we press on here,
Uh-huh.
and also you can see, and this, see, look at the flames. This flame is like this,
Mm-hmm.
and these flames are like this.
But why?
These are from die-cast.
Okay.
These are die-cast cars.
Oh, really? I don't know their names. What are their names?
Blazes cars.
And?
They're from die-cast.
Oh.
This is from not die-cast. Or this one is not. These are from die-cast.
Which one you like most?
This one.
This one?
No, this one. So
Okay.
let's give this one to Chinny.
Really? Are you
Yeah.
ready to give it to Chinny?
Yes.
How about Masi?
Yes.
And what are the other blaze car you want?
I already have two.
Masi said if you behave in a good way, then Masi will get you a pickle and crusher too.
Here's my portrait. Looks like a super car, but it doesn't have eyes or mouth
Really?
or windows.
Okay. So, who is AJ Soham?
AJ is an expert. He solves any problem.
Okay, and who is Gabby?
Gabby can fix anything, like monster machine. If they're broken, Gabby fix them.
So, who you like, AJ or Gabby?
Then and also they can also hop on the tires.
Really? Which
Yeah.
tire you like?
These tires.
This one, blue one or black one?
Black one.
But why?
Oh, I also want Ninja Blaze.
Why?
Ninja Blaze.
You don't have Ninja Blaze, right? Do you?
Masi will give me if I behave good boy.
Okay, go and sit there. And tell Masi that Masi, I'm behaving in a good way. Can you give me another car, blaze car?
Ninja.
Okay, Ninja Blaze car. Sit there. Request Masi now. Aparna Masi, can you give me another blaze car if I behave in a good way? Say, request her. I will send this video to her.
Hey Masi, I'm behaving good boy. Would you please give me Ninja Blaze?
And you're not watching iPad and TV.
I will not watch iPad or TV or phone.
So she will give you. I will send this video to her. Just sit over there.
Now why you watching phone? If you watch phone, she will not give you a laptop back.
Yeah, I will not watch phone.
You're watching phone, you're recording. What is this? If you're telling me don't watch, you're watching. What is this?
I'm not watching.
You're watching phone, recording.
Yeah,
What's
I want to
this?
send this to Masi so that she will give you another blaze car.
Ninja.
Okay, Ninja one. How does Ninja looks like? Can you show me both the blaze cars? How does it look? Oh, it looks good. I like the blue one. What is that called? The blue one?
Water blaze.
Water blaze. And how about this one?
The water blaze goes deep on the waters. But
Really?
this one doesn't.
Why?
It doesn't have tires like that one. So this one goes deep on the waters.
Oh.
And this and they have flames.
Really? And how about this one? You like this one?
We can raise them so fast.
What about this one? You don't like this one? I like this one too. It's cute one.
And also you can see the tires are spinning. See, the one I hold this place, it spins around.
Really?
See,
That looks fabulous. Blue one.
and we also can do a flip with this.
Oh, really?
Watch.
Oh, good.
No,
Okay.
no here.
Where you want to do? Just sit here. Sit
But
on
I'm
your
not
table.
going-
This your play table, right? And study table too. So you can sit here.
But I'm not able to do a flip with
That's
this.
okay. It happens.
See, we can raise these cars so fast and
Can you
so
raise them?
hard. See, also this blaze always goes.
Which tire you like? Which one is stronger? Blue or black?
See, these are not stronger.
Which one is stronger then?
There doesn't has more energy.
Really?
So they fall. And also you can raise them so hard and so fast.
Which one can move fast?
Let's see.
What? Oh yeah, I can see that. Oh my god.
And they can crush at the cars.
Oh really?
Yes.
Okay. I like this cute little buddy. This one too.
It can crush any car.
Where is green one and blue one? This also Masi gave you, right? Where is that? This one? Two more?
Was it pickle?
No, this we have two more car, right? Like this. Where is that?
Who gave me?
Masi gave you last year.
Which car?
This one? This one? This little guy? I don't know his name. What is his name?
Its only name is car.
It's only a car. How about this white one? This is also supercar?
No.
Yeah, I think so.
And also you can crush any car.
Really?
See, it doesn't. It crushes this car.
Okay, tell me, why do you like only Blaze?
But because whenever I have a Blaze t-shirt, I need to play with Blaze.
But now you're not wearing Blaze t-shirt. Are you?
I will play.
But you will play?
I also want Stealth Blaze.
Which one?
Stealth Blaze.
Okay, sit. I will ask. If you behave in a good way,
I will be.
Lisha will also get you a new Blaze car.
I will give you. I will do that.
And Shruti also said that she will give you a Blaze car if you behave in a good way and if you study.
I will.
Are you ready to study now? It says study time. Which is important, study or playing with Blaze? What is important?
Play.
Really? So you will not study?
Yes.
Then Masi will not give you Blaze.
If I play,
You have to study too.
what about play?
You can play and study both but not watch. Right?
And also, we can raise all these cars so hard and so fast. It can move other cars. And we can also do a flip with them. See, look at his engine.
Mm-hmm.
It's covered. It's
Okay.
covered. But this one is not covered.
Oh, why?
Doesn't has this car doesn't has this,
Uh-huh.
but this one doesn't has this
Why?
on the engine.
But why?
Because see, this flame is bigger and this flame is bigger and this flame is small and this flame is small.
Okay, but why?
Because the difference of them, see, I got these hobs are same and these faces are same and also these are both same
Mhm.
and these are spoilers and
Oh,
these
okay. Got it.
and also these two.
So you want more Blaze cars, so huh?
Here's our Ninja Blaze, Stealth Blaze,
Mm-hmm.
Blaze with chicken tires and his body blue.
Oh, all these are Blaze? So okay, I will order it today from okay?
And also Mercy, if I behave good boy, Mercy will give me that. Ninja Blaze.
Yes,
And
he said.
Blaze with chicken tires and also balloon body.
Which Masi will give it? Shruti, Aparna or Misha? Lisha.
This.
Lisha?
No, Aparna.
Aparna Masi? Really?
And why someone do the burp?
I don't know why you're burping.
Because I'm eating too much new.
You are not eating food. That's why you're burping.
I'm eating.
You didn't eat anything today.
I'm eating more food. That's why I'm getting burp.
Who said?
Papa.
No, Papa is wrong.
He's right.
No, Mama is always right. Just sit over there. Don't be angry. Don't be angry. Don't be angry. Just you play with your Blaze. Don't be angry. That's okay. That's okay. You don't have to be angry. Okay, Papa is right. Mama is wrong. Okay? Happy? Okay. Okay, say Masi, give me another Blaze car. Come here.
I want Ninja Blaze and also
Go and see there. Okay, say, tell to Masi now.
I want Ninja Blaze
Mm-hmm.
with some stars on it.
Okay, and?
And also I want Blaze with chicken tires and the body blue.
Okay, and?
I also want Pickle.
And?
Pickle is a little truck because he asked Crusher to do the right thing, but Crusher never listened.
Okay, okay. I will send this video to Masi, okay? And she will get you a new Blaze car. Sounds good?
And also, Crusher is a cheating truck who stops Blaze. Whenever Crusher stops him, Blaze transforms into any machine.
Oh, really?
And it didn't suspect any Nasser. Here, he helps Blaze what to do.
But tell me why you like to watch Blaze all the time?
And also, the most thing, yeah, I was watching that in TV.
But why?
I was seeing that Blaze.
Okay.